In this tutorial, we will learn how to add hover effects to button. So hover effect is when we move our cursor over a button, we can add certain styles to it. Like we can make it bigger, we can change its color. Currently, this button has no hover effect. So you can move mouse over it and the button is static. But here, this below button, we as we move our cursor over it, it grows. So in this tutorial, we will learn how to do this effect. So back to your editor, and then you have to select the button you want to add hover effects to and open its settings and scroll down and you will see an ID attribute section. Copy the button ID. Now you have to open the page settings by clicking on the settings button. Again, scroll down. You will see an edit footer code button over here. This will open a model window. Here you can write different custom CSS for your elements that are available in your website. So you have to first write style tag here. This is a mandatory step. So inside this style tag, you can select different elements in your website. And you have to first write the hash symbol followed by the ID you have copied. Hash symbol is very important. And you have to include it followed by this curly braces. Copy the same step again and this time write colon hover in front of it. This selector, so whatever style we apply in this selector will apply when we move our cursor over the button. So here we have to add a style called transform. So we have to transform our button. So we will scale it to certain limits. And in the button, you have to add a transition. So transition is for that so that the effect is smoother. So you have to write transform. You have to apply a timing and easing. Now save your changes. Save changes by clicking on the save changes button and preview your changes. And now you can hover over this button and it will show the same effect.